Affairs Committee at the district level, the issues pertaining to the districts can also be discussed amongst the party cadres and raised at the district level, and issues which are pertaining to the state level to be raised, the District Political Affairs Committee will be raising those issues with the State Political Affairs Committee to be raised at the state level. I understand that South Goa district earlier used to have 20 assembly segments, and if you look at anybody who was DCC president here for 20 assembly segments, sometimes it becomes difficult to run the organization. Sometimes it becomes difficult for a person to run 20 assembly segments. So that's why the party leadership, on the recommendation of the state leadership, decided to divide the South district into two. One is Kushavati and one is South. And now Kushavati will be having 8 assembly segments to its kitty. And in these 8 assembly segments, I will be visiting all the 8 assembly segments, meeting with all the elected office bearers, social organizations, party cadre people, Congress party workers, so that more hardworking, more people who are loyal to our party without criminal backgrounds. Maybe some people get criminal records because of their agitations against the governments. Obviously, we are going to keep that on the side. But all the people who have any criminal background by doing criminal activities, they will not be considered to be a part of the organization. Whereas all other hardworking people will be brought forward. They will be given responsibilities, whether at the booth level or at the mandal level or at the panchayat level or at the block level or at the district level. So this exercise is going to go on, and we are going to move assembly after assembly. I have a 2 days complete program for today and tomorrow to visit first round. I am going to have one-on-one interaction with leaders who want to come forward and give their viewpoints on who could be the best possible person to take over as the DCC president. We are going to propose 6 names to the central leadership, depending upon the dominance of the caste, depending upon the loyalty of that person towards the Congress party, depending upon his past experience and his work towards the party, how he has been actively involved in party programs and how they have been carried out by the media on different social media platforms, or maybe in the print media or in the electronic media. So a complete comprehensive program is going to go on so that we are able to get people on board. There is an application form for the DCC presidents which we have tried to circulate on social media, and through you people I would like to convey to all the aspirants who intend to become a part of this process or who intend to become a part of the party organization through this process. I'm trying to convey through you that they can simply fill up the form, download the form, take a printout of the form, fill up that form and come and meet me during any of my interaction, or even they can send their form on email to me and I can get connected with them at their convenience or at my convenience. And my email ID will be email@vijayindersingla.com. Anybody can contact me, anybody can send their application forms to me, so that more and more people who are looking to work for the organization, they should be able to participate in this Abhiyan. People from the SC community, ST community, OBC community, and so on. All other communities also. There is a thought process of the party that to bring in people from different castes also to the party fold, and all those people who are strengthful people, they should also come forward with their grassroots level strength and be a part of the district Congress committee structure. The DCC's performance there will be a connect center in Delhi, and there will be a center here, which will be directly monitoring the activities of the DCC. Now also we know the existing DCC's performance. We already have a document in which we know what all activities are going on in the state. So before any observer comes to the state, he or she is given a document to analyze the whole district depending upon the caste combination and depending upon the potentiality of people who can come and apply for these positions. So I would not take much of your time, and I will open the house for questions if any. But the whole idea of today's press conference is the Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, initiated at the behest of Congress President Kharge ji, our young leader of the opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, in order to get people who work at the grassroots level to become a part of the organization structure, and so that in the times to come, our cadres, our party cadres or our party programs get more fillip or more strength in the times to come. Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.